when you do that, it becomes off center. That's red.
What are they, people?
No, I'm gonna talk. Well, it's because you're camera guys. Is it red?
Yes.
What it is, people. Here it is. Punta Cana, sneak peek, backstage pass to our room. Come. Can you see the 17205? Oh, all right, here, 17205 is the room. Punta Cana. Here we go. So now we're gonna give you a room tour. Okay, here, come. Room tour. So we're gonna start here. Here is the mini fridge. Comes equipped with some Fanta or whatever. It's called Country Club here. We got some Coca-Cola Zero, Coca-Cola regular, and Sprite. Got some bottles of water that we already used. Then a coffee machine, cups. We're not gonna use that. We didn't even use. Then we go in here. There's a safe. Oh, it might be dark. So you got a safe over here. Beep beep beep. Error, not the right code because we're not using it. Then, follow me here. You have baños. Baños is the washroom, right? Okay, so that's baños, and here's the shower. Walk-in shower, and I'll just look. This is a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur shower. It's this limited feature dinosaur because when you open the door, it sounds like a dinosaur. So that's what we got there.
Sounds like a trumpet.
Sounds like a trumpet. Eddie says trumpet. Here's the bed. Bed's always good. Yep. They brought us an extra bed here. And this is our view from outside. So as you can see over here, that we have the pool view, and don't drop that. Yeah, it says it pool view. You see it. It's good. And we got a table over here with 2 chairs. Table, 2 chairs. And this is a couch over here, a little couch that kind of expands, and it can mix it into a bigger couch. But here's the kicker. This is not going to be our room. We asked to change our room, and am I in the picture? Move back. And we're going to change rooms. So now we're packing up. Tanya's packing up all our stuff, and we're gonna come help her right now. And we're gonna go back, and we're gonna go to our another room. So we're gonna have another room tour. So stay tuned. We're gonna get all that, the road from here to there with all our bags, and another room tour, back to back, double the action, all the time. Here we go. Stay tuned. Let's go.
That it is, people. So now we're at our new house, a hotel room, and our number is 3121, and we're gonna give you the new tour. Here is the 2 beds, and they gave us a table.
Table, very fantastic.
And the beds look really comfy.
What kind of book do you have there?
They have a Nuevo Testamento.
Good.
So, and here it's a closet.
What's in the closet?
There's like shirt hangers. There's an umbrella.
There's no safe? Yes,
there is a safe.
Yeah.
There's a safe. Like you could just put random numbers. Let's see if I can get it.
No good. We can set it up later.
Okay, and here it's a sink,
Wow. Wow.
and over here it's like a really fancy bathroom.
Not too shabby. Baños.
This is really fancy, and they told us that it's not gonna be like going on the wall. It's gonna only be going over here.
Yeah, it's gonna rain down.
But the thing is, how do you like close over
Well,
here?
you don't close it, but the water's just gonna fall right there, so it's not gonna get there.
The problem with the other bathroom was, so I pretended the shower's over here. It was splashing like right over here.
Yeah, it's going straight instead of down.
Yeah.
So that's not good. But what about the is there a balcony or?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's this.
That's connecting.
So
So no.
now we don't need to use.
I'm gonna show you guys the balcony.
So we walk and we go outside.
Look, I know. It's really hot. There's a beach. We have a house like right next to the beach.
The beach is there, and then over here is the
Pools. Whatever.
fantastic. All right, we'll wrap it up. Saying that okay, that was
So-
our,
Okay, so that was our adventure day 3. Tomorrow we're gonna be
doing something else.
tomorrow we're gonna be doing we're going in a fancy restaurant, and it's gonna be day 4.
Cool. Okay, so there was the room tours. MC Eddie's in the house. So from Eddie Greg 2 and Eddie Greg.
1. Peace.
Peace.
To the next one.